Hey everyone, it's Eva from Fluent English Classroom. Today we're tackling 10 powerful phrasal verbs you need to know to sound fluent, and they're easier than you think. Let's get started. Phrasal verbs combine a verb plus a particle, preposition or adverb to create a new meaning, like turn up, look after, or give in. Master these, and your English will feel more natural. Look after means to take care of someone or something. Can you look after my cat while I'm away? Turn up means to arrive or increase. She turned up late to the meeting. Or turn up the music. Now you say, I'll look after your plants, and please turn up the heat. Give up means to stop trying. Don't give up on your dreams. Get along means to have a good relationship. My siblings and I get along really well. Repeat after me. She won't give up, and they get along fine. Run out of means to have none left. We've run out of time. Put off means to delay. Don't put off your homework. Try saying, we've run out of milk, and I keep putting off that call. Pick up can mean to answer. Can you pick up the phone? Or to learn. He picked up Spanish quickly. Break down means to stop working. My car broke down yesterday. Repeat. I'll pick up the kids, and the machine broke down. Call off means to cancel. They called off the concert due to rain. Fill out means to complete a form. Please fill out this application. Your turn. We had to call off the trip, and I filled out the survey. Great job. Now I'll say each phrasal verb twice. Shadow me. Ready? Look after. Turn up. Give up. Get along. Run out of. Put off. Pick up. Break down. Call off. Fill out. Pause 5 to 10 seconds between each pair for viewer shadowing. Recap. Look after. Turn up. Give up. Get along. Run out of. Put off. Pick up. Break down. Call off. Fill out. To remember them, group by topic, like transportation verbs pick up, break down, or time verbs put off, run out of. If you found this useful, hit thumbs up, subscribe, and ring the bell for more. Comment below. Which phrasal verb will you use today? Thanks for watching the Daily Fluent English class. See you next time.